guys, so welcome back to Tower PH TV. Recently puro tayo mga Mobile Legends, but now we're back sa NBA trading cards, and this time we got these cards. This one I bought online to be part of my collection, and this one galing sa box break natin with Gigant King. Big shoutout sa mga kasama natin dyan sa box break PH. So this one, as you all know guys, kino-collect natin itong Jordan Clarkson select cards, mostly select cards, no? And this one is the Mezzanine Tectonic. Let me share with you kung magkakasya dito. Ito na yung ating folder or binder. Ito na ito isa. Yan for mga Jordan Clarkson cards, and this one will go sa bandang likod. Yeah, so another part, so this will be placed here, and meron na tayong apat. Actually marami pa tayong kulang, no, kasi sa isang set ng select, I think around 52 cards para ma-complete mo yung buong set ng different parallels. And yun, sharing with you yung ating Jordan Clarkson binder, and later ilalagay natin ito. But putting that on the side, we got our box break cards from Gigant King. So guys, huwag nyo gayahin yung pag-unwrap ko kanina sa intro nitong video. So medyo nasugat natin yung buti na lang hindi natin masyadong diniinan, hindi umabot dun sa card. As you can see, may gasgas yung top loader. So ayun, iwasan natin yung pag-cut ng katulad nun. It went directly to I thought kasi meron siyang box pa before dun sa mga cards, kaya ayun, my mistake, my bad. And buti na lang naka-top loader siya, kaya hindi inabot yung cards. But again, please don't do that. Check nyo muna kung merong added protection. So basically we have several box breaks with them. Naipon na yung ating mga cards, and these are the cards that we got from box breaks 101, 105, and 106. So let's start off with 101. Big shoutout sa ating mga co-collectors ng NBA trading cards. Madalas tayo dyan sa Philippine Card Exchange naghahunt, and yung mga NBA card collectors Philippines also dyan naghahantay ng mga Jordan Clarkson cards. So with this one from Donruss, we got these base cards from Walker Kessler, Simone Fontecchio, Lauri Markkanen, Colin Sexton, of course Jordan Clarkson, Taylor Hendricks na injured, I think season ending na yung injury niya. We got Bryce Sensabo and Keontae George rookie card. So basically marami na tayong duplicates ito dahil marami tayong sinalihan na breaks ng Donruss. This one naman, I think Memphis yung nakuha nating team, and it's a mosaic. Dito tinry natin mag-iba kasi ng team muna, dahil marami tayong sinalihan na mosaic na Utah. So marami tayong Utah cards, and with this one we got Zaire Williams. This is not a rookie but a green mosaic number 275. We got this Stairmasters of Ja Morant. We got Jaren Jackson Jr. base cards, Desmond Bain, Zaire Williams, City Edition Ja Morant, Marcus Smart, Derrick Rose, already retired from NBA. We got montage of Ja Morant, and we got notoriety base card of Ja Morant. Ayan guys. And for last set na nasugatan yung ating top loader, again magagayahin yung ginawa natin sa umpisa. So we got this purple Talen Horton Tucker from Utah Jazz, number 299. So medyo marami tayong different parallels itong Talen Horton Tucker, and although di naman natin siya personal collection, but we're still collecting it. Sometimes siguro I will post it para kung may nagko-collect man ng Talen Horton Tucker, I can share it to you guys. If you're interested, just message me. And we got NBA debut Keontae George. This one is a silver. One of the top rookies, although now medyo hindi maganda yung ng Utah. For the base cards again, we got NBA greats Karl Malone, another rookie card Taylor Hendricks, Colin Sexton, John Collins, NBA debut Taylor Hendricks, Jordan Clarkson, Lauri Markkanen, and we got an NBA debut musik pala ni Keontae George, and this one is a disco, purple disco, Colin Sexton. This number 250. So, dalawang numbered cards. Actually, tatlong numbered cards natin. This one is to 99, and this one is to 75. So, medyo low number tong kay Colin Sexton. So, that's it for this quick unwrapping, guys, and thanks for joining. I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza and Soul, si Ampas Lupang Burgis, Sis Geb, si Sis Test, Taste and Sip by Tesha, and si Jonko Love, si Sis Jonko. So Mimi and Yuki yung member natin na channel niya, but she also has her new channel, yung Jonko Love. So please subscribe to their channels, guys, and let's support them. Support din natin, guys, ang ating mga kaibigan mukbangers, SM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and NBA trading card collectors. Support din natin, guys, and big shout out to Mami Bel Sato and kay Daddy HLJ, and sa mga kasama natin sa GC Sato family, HLJ, GC, and dyan sa team support yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong support, guys, and thank you sa always sa pag-join and pag-visit sa ating channel. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating mga susunod na videos. Again, Mobile Legends muna tayo. Medyo nagpaparank up yung sa ating Iritel. Also, yung mga full game versions ng mga pinopost natin sa Tower PH TV is sinishare natin sa Tower PH Gaming. So, guys, please support also yung ating channel na Tower PH Gaming. Again, guys, maraming salamat. This is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Hanggang sa ating susunod na video.